Friends, in this video, I'd like to take a different way to escalate our privilege. If you have already followed my channel, as you know, I've already made a complete video about this machine, 9VH. In that video, I use Metasploit to elevate our privilege. However, in this video, a different way will be tried and attempted. So without further ado, let's just get started. I assume that we have already got the initial foothold on the target. Next, we can upload the Nineveh shell script to do the automatic immersion. I've already got the Nineveh shell script ready on this current working directory. In order to upload this file, I think the easiest way is to set up the web server on the Kali Linux. Now we go back and then we can use wget to upload the IP address of the Kali Linux, followed by the default port number by the Python http://server module Nineveh's shell script. In order to run this script, we need to make it executable, and then we can run this shell script. If the target machine is Linux, in most cases, we can utilize this bash shell script to do the automatic immersion. Yet this script is so powerful, where a lot of different aspects of the target can be immersed out automatically. If we immerse such information manually, this will be time-consuming process. So we just let it run. To see whether we can find some vectors which allow us to escalate our privilege. As you can see over here, like process information, the local exploits, of course. In this video, I will not take a look at all of local exploits. And it's done, and then we can scroll back to the top to see whether we can find something special or interesting. The capabilities information, change on, nothing, SUID binary, all right, maybe we need to upload another very important utility, PSPY. This can display or print out all processes, even those belong to super user or root user. Okay, so I've already got this utility or binary ready, so we can use wget to upload PSPY 64, and we need to make it executable, and then we can run this script. As you can see over here, I think this script or this utility is executed regularly. And also this one. Of course, at this moment, I think we do not have permission to read this shell script because this lives in the root directory. However, this one, maybe I can, for example, I can open up a new tab. I'd like to make it bigger. Zoom in by zooming the terminal. Search sprite, and we can copy. Yeah, this will check rootkit on the target regularly. Here we got one, and this one is local privilege escalation. So maybe we can utilize this. We can launch. So first of all, we need to sorry. We need to upgrade the current shell to the metapletter. And then maybe we can use this module to elevate, right? So how to do? We can use MSF Vellum, and maybe we can use different port number. I do not want to have a conflict with each other. We can press enter. And then we can upload. Sorry, I need to spawn this reverse shell again. So this one, maybe I can turn off the proxy and press enter. Oh, I need to log in again. So the password, so what's the password? So maybe this is the password. We can copy. It doesn't matter, we can log in. And then we can put the command, the entire command. We can remove the files. And the parameter cmd. Press enter. So there's some error. So there's some error. It should be right department nodes shell. So I need to go to the PHP advanced. So this one, shell.php should be fine. The cmd Python. So why it's not working? Oh, sorry, I forgot to put. I think this is the reason. We can press enter. Now it's working. We come back to the target shell. Sorry about wasting your time. And now, so we can, so how to do? We can upload the metapletter payload, right? And we need to make it executable. And then we need to launch our Metasploit console. So what's the port number? So maybe 666, I'm not sure. So there's some error closed in another, so maybe stream closed. Why I get this error? Okay, it's fine. So now we can use exploit multi-handler, set payload to Linux x64 metpreter, reverse TCP, set localhost to our Linux, set port number, I think should be 66. Hopefully this is correct. I cannot remember very clearly. And then we can run this payload. I think it's working. Not working. Interesting. So maybe 666. So my bad. Set local port number to 777. Another fault. We can run it in. Yeah, we got the metpreter session, and then we can search, check, root, and we can use this module. Even Metasploit can work. This will save our strings, right? We can show payloads. So many payloads. Maybe I can show options. We can set the session number to 1, set the local host to our Linux, set the port number to 909 because we can run. Hopefully this module can work and get our privilege escalated. Get the UID. Great. So now we successfully elevate our privilege to root user. We can navigate to root directory, and then we can get out the root flag. So that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.